Hello, and welcome to our channel where we explore the world of Odoo. In these series, we'll be exploring on how to create a basic AI chat application which features dynamic configuration. This is the first part, in which we'll discuss the concept and the features of this app. Traditionally, integrating AI with Odoo has been a developer-centric process, where developers prepare everything, and users only interact with the AI through a chat interface or predefined workflows. While this approach works most of the time, it comes with several disadvantages. Limited user involvement. Users have little to no control over how the AI behaves or adapts to their specific needs. Lack of flexibility. The AI's responses and behavior are predetermined by developers, making it harder to adapt to changing business requirements. Time-consuming updates. When new features or improvements are needed, users must rely on developer resources, which can be time-consuming and costly. To overcome these challenges, we'll be creating an AI chat application that allows for dynamic configuration using a node-based user interface. This means you can easily customize the AI's behavior, responses, and workflows directly from the Odoo interface, without relying on developers every time. This app enables users to create their own configurations by selecting AI models, prompts, tools, and other relevant settings. This level of customization empowers users to tailor their AI chatbot experience according to their specific needs. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a better understanding of how to create an AI chat application that empowers users to take control of their AI experience in Odoo. The key features of our app include a user-friendly interface where users can dynamically create their own AI chat definitions to configure the AI's behavior, responses, and workflows. Extensible design allows developers to add more components, just like Odoo. In this app, users will mostly interact with two main parts: the chat user interface and the chat editor, which we'll call the Chat Studio. These parts will use techniques from our previous experiments, such as streaming AI chat and node-based user interfaces. Please visit my channel for more details about these techniques. The Chat Studio is where users can dynamically create their own AI chat definitions, which can then be applied to various scenarios. To demonstrate this, we'll create a setting in the Odoo for users to apply the chat definition. This setting will determine the behavior of the chat user interface, which will be available on the Odoo sys tray on the upper right corner. Depending on your use case, you can apply the chat design on many things, such as on user basis. Different users can have different chat designs. Personas. You can create different personas for each user. And anything you can imagine, the possibilities are limitless. And the best part is, we'll make it extendable. This means if we need to add more components, we can just create an additional module for it. And also, all these features are beginners friendly. You don't need to be an expert in programming or anything. Everything is pretty much already covered in our previous tutorials. So, stay tuned for more details on how to create a basic AI chat application with dynamic configuration using Odoo. We'll cover the technical aspects of building this app and provide you with hands-on experience to get started. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with others who might benefit from this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can stay up to date on all my experiments and tutorials. We'll see you in the next video.